चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
TDP has accused YSRCP government Jagan Mohan Reddy intended to use this white structure, this royal palace for his personal use. Right now I am in Visakhapatnam and behind me is the Rishikonda Hill and the beaches of Visakhapatnam. But in between the mountain and the beach, the white structure is the luxury palace which TDP has accused YSRCP government Jagan Mohan Reddy intended to use this white structure, this royal palace for his personal use as his private property. As you can see, what's the luxury and the abundance of riches which has been inculcated in this palace, which has been made with worth 500 crores, which Nara Lokesh and the other TDP leaders have clearly stated that since 2021, the part of the Rishikonda Hill was broken, it was crumbled, and the entire hill was used to make a private property by Jagan Mohan Reddy. Jagan Mohan Reddy planned that if he will repeat as a CM for second term, that this would be his private property. A lot of money spent on this private property. Let me show you. The entire stretch is almost 61 acres, but the on-spot site on which this white palace has been made is of 9.8 acres. And in fact, the material, the infrastructure, the bathtub, the commode, washroom, in fact, the private villa, guest suites, deluxe suites, all over the things which are inside are more than 60 lakhs. And in fact, the lightings is worth 90 crore inside this luxury palace, which TDP leader Gunta Srinivas Rao, when he went inside, he clearly stated that this is the kind of money, people's money, which has been wasted by Jagan Mohan Reddy in making this luxury palace. Earlier, the Andhra Pradesh Tourism Development Authority, let me ask my camera person, the Vijay Chandu, to show you exactly the downside of the hill had the tourist complex by the Andhra Pradesh Development Authority. But later on, this entire section, this entire segment was revamped by YSRCP. The construction took place, started in 2021, and now it has 7 blocks. All these 7 blocks have luxury, lavishness, and abundance of opulence inside it. So much of money, public money which has been spent and wasted in this palace, the royal palace, which Jagan Mohan Reddy wanted to use for his personal use as a private property. However, what you've got to know is that now YSRCP leaders have stated that this is a government property and not a private property. Jagan Mohan Reddy wanted to develop Visakhapatnam in a way that the secretariat and everything would be shifted here if this becomes a capital, and for that need the government property was constructed and this is of the government use. Now this is the statement which has come up from the YSRCP leader, but as you can see, this is the Rishikonda Hill and that is the beaches of Visakhapatnam, and in between is the royal luxury palace worth 500 crore made by Jagan Mohan Reddy. And to tell you precisely that all the environmental norms and the CRZ norms were kept aside by Jagan Mohan Reddy to build this private property.